Another great tool that I'd like to show you about is Google's Unit Converter. So if you just put in Unit Convert, all you have to type in is Unit, and it'll pop up there. It's a free software available on any browser to quickly and easily convert units. You can change the type of unit up here, and this is something that can be used in more than just my math classroom. I mean, this is incredible for a science classroom. I'm sure you'd use this all the time, or also just in life in general. Let's say that you're traveling to Europe and they're giving you all the forecast in Celsius and you need to know how to dress for the day. So you type in the temperature in Celsius. It says it's going to be 32 degrees. Well, that's going to be a hot one. If it gives you something like 26, you might not realize the amount of drop off there. That's going to be 78. Still a hot one, but let's say it gives you something like 20. Well, that's 68. To most people, that might be towards the temperature range where they start feeling a little colder, depending on where you're from. For me in Chicago, I'm still wearing a t-shirt, but everybody's different. If you're from San Diego, you're probably in a jacket at that temperature. But yeah, I love how easy it is to get to, and just the amount of different units that it covers is very, very awesome. I think that this could be used by students, parents, coworkers. I feel like everybody should know about this. The ISTE standards that I cover here are E4B, and that is where I actually am collaborating with my students, because years ago it was a student who showed me this. We were doing, I think, actual conversions between Celsius and Fahrenheit. I'd given them the formula, and I saw a student using this, and I was like, well, that's awesome. The other one is ISTE standard S.1.C. That is where students use technology to gain feedback. I will actually have my algebra students, when they're doing trigonometry and converting, where is it? Right here, from degrees to radians or vice versa, they can use this to check their answer. So in that sense, they are providing themselves with feedback.